To implement getCategoryById, I'm going back to country repository and copy getCountryById, because once again we will just do few modifications and the method will work for us. So again, we don't want a country, we want a category, and we don't want the country DTO object, we of course want category DTO. So I'll copy that and create a new object of category DTO named category. So here we have our HTTP client and localhost/API, but instead of /countries, we go to /categories, and of course then / not country ID but category ID. So we get our response and grab the result. If it is okay, we read the task, and the content that we read is going to be of type category DTO. Once it's read, we assign the result back to our category variable. And at the end, we will return category, which is the object of category DTO. So again, very simple modification. These methods tend to be quite similar, so why not just copy paste what we have and modify it and make it work this way rather than going from scratch. But for you, if this is your first API implementation you're creating, you may want to actually do this manually, line by line, as part of your practice, so it kind of becomes your second nature, so to speak. Alright, so 2 methods down, 2 to go. Next, let's do get all categories of a book implementation.